What?
What's up, Bob?
That tail's an easy fix.
Oh, it's probably just the tip.
Oh, did the tip break off?
It might have. It may not have even broken.
No, I don't think it broke. Because it went in open.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Got a hacker in there.
Where's the damage?
On the rudder.
Ready? Let's go. I'm gonna follow you. Yeah, I take off with them like that. My short field takeoff. Ready? Ready? I'll go behind you. So, oh shit, go ahead. I'll be on your left wing when we do formation.
Okay.
Gear up, flaps up.
So I'll always be on your left.
Alright, coming out.
Alright.
Going over the sun.
Alright, low pass after you're up.
We're taking off here.
Okay.
Yep, we're waiting.
Alright, we'll go around again.
What about your Star Wars? Is that the Enterprise? That gets never gonna fly.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Alright, so I'll stay all the way off to your left wing.
Alright, low pass from the right. Open it up.
I gotta get on it sooner. I can't keep up.
Faster.
If we get on it at the same time, we're both the same speed.
No, I got it.
Yeah, I'll go over.
You ready?
Just looked right at the sun. That's the wrong thing to do.
I'll go slow, low pass.
Slow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slow, low pass from the right.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo. That was low.
Very.
Oh, nobody saw that?
I did. I was right there with you.
I've touched and go.
It was great.
I've touched and go this thing many times out there.
Every time down there, you overturn it.
Whatever. That's throttle off for me, yeah.
Turn the other way. You went the wrong way. I got it. You turned left there instead of right. You ready? You see that? When you turn left?
Alright, low pass from the right.
It's tough with the sun.
Pull. You're probably a tad faster.
I think we're about the same. That little Avanti screams. I'm doing a dive at the runway.
Okay. Pull.
Yeah.
Low pass. You got me on that.
Time remaining.
That was cool.
Here, I'll show you why I have the really high rates.
I've seen it. I've done it with mine. He does that weird flip. Yeah. The outside snap.
How do you guys feel about changing the pattern to be left to right?
I'm okay with it if you guys, is that what you're doing?
Yeah, we're trying to do approaches.
Okay, he's going to land. I'll be fine. Go ahead. He's got to land and
I'm
then
gonna land right to left.
I'll stick with you guys. It's okay. You guys do what you're comfortable with. I'll fly opposite of you.
Yeah, I'll come in. Landing.
'Cause I know you're training, so.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Time remaining 18 seconds.
Do you have your timer where if you click a button it says it was?
Yeah.
Oh, I just have mine.
I have it on my trainer button.
7,
So I don't have to look down. I just hit the button.
4,
Yeah, mine just has it.
1. Time expired.
Let's go around and do that again. That's perfect.
Hello, Hawk. Hi, Hawk. All right, I'm landing from the right.
Okay.
I'm clear of you guys, so don't worry about me. I'm good.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh boy. Oh, they're over on
Flaps up.
somewhere. Are they the gold ones?
Taxing back. And then you guys are clear.
I saw them over there.
We're good.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, runway's clear.
Oh yeah, I can see your gear there.
Yeah, it dog tracks. I couldn't help it.
Oh, that was a good job. All right.
I couldn't help it.
Push him.
Yeah, push me. I'll steer.
Push vehicle.